pump the vacuum wipers. You try to get up to speed, and when it gets too much water on the windshield, you let the gas up to take a swipe, and then you try to accelerate a little bit more, and let the gas up to get another swipe, and try to accelerate some more. That's the pattern. Can't quite keep up with the speed limit. Probably would have to be around 30, 35 to keep the windshield wipers going constantly. The Rain-X worked pretty good in the rain, but it doesn't work so good in the snow, especially climbing over a mountain pass. Most of the time I got no wipers and the snow is just pasting on the windshield. Just to show that when we're going downhill, the wipers work great. Plenty of vacuum, they just go lickety-split. And that's coasting with the engine idling. So the wipers are good sometimes.